Imagine if I told you that you can grow lush, healthy vegetables, fruits, and flowers without spending a single cent on fertilizer. That's right, zero cost, just water and this plant called Madre de Cacao. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make a powerful organic fertilizer using only 2 ingredients. It is part of the Jada method and it's going to change your gardening game forever. Madre de Cacao is oftenly used as a shade tree in farms. But what most people don't know is that it's packed with nitrogen and minerals. It's a natural fertilizer just waiting to be used. The leaves, it breaks down quickly, releasing nutrients directly into the soil. And when fermented with water, it becomes a liquid fertilizer that rivals even the most expensive brands. You see? This is very useful, guys. So we just have to be consistent as a farmer in making our own liquid fertilizer. Because sometimes it makes us, we think that it's better to buy than to make our own because it's very inconvenient to make one. So I will show you now on how to make a Jadam liquid fertilizer using only 2 ingredients, which are water and Madre de Cacao. Step 1 is we collect a good amount of fresh Madre de Cacao leaves and soft stems. The greener, the better. And step 2, we chop it roughly or we can just cut it. No need for perfection, of course. Ha? Duha ka puno.
Okay raman na kundi nat uboson kay total pinalit na to na bitirang magkawayan. At pergat ta kuha.
Oo.
Gapon dato. Tugulo ka budoy, iguan, iya ba man tay klaro sin. Ari kakita na kung tag-iyalwat.
Step 3 is we add them into a container and pour enough water to cover the plant material, and we try to fill about 2/3 of the container so we can leave a space for the air to ferment our liquid fertilizer. And number 4 is we use a clean rock or plate to keep the leaves submerged, but usually we don't do this. We just let the leaves as is. Then we just cover it loosely. We just cover loosely with a lid so there's an airflow but no bugs. And step 5 is that we let it sit for 5 to 10 days. It will start to smell, and that's a good sign that you're fermenting the nutrients. This will boost the plant growth, improve soil microbes, and help repel pests, all for free. And later on, we will use this and apply it to our garden. So that's all for today's video, guys, and please subscribe and hit that notification bell because we will upload the next video, which is our application of this Jadon liquid fertilizer. Shh.